How to find Facebook account by name. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search facebook.com, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on Forgot Password at the bottom. Then it will ask you to add your mobile number or email address. In here, add your full name and press on Continue. After you've pressed on Continue, you will find different accounts. Scroll through it and choose your account. After you choose your account that has been hacked, what you can do is click on Try Another Way at the bottom. Then it will send code to your email or phone number. Select the one and press on Continue at the bottom. After you have done that, add the code in here and press on Continue and you will be able to recover your account. This is how to find account on Facebook by name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.